am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your edges came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Malia.Angelic. So guess what? Another cooking video. Oh, this is my third HelloFresh cooking video. I wanted to film right here because this natural lighting in my room, when I do it in the kitchen, it's not so good lighting, and I just want to show y'all the cooking part in the kitchen. But third thing on the menu is Figgy balsamic pork with roasted green beans and rosemary potatoes. Prep 10 minutes, total 30 minutes, calories 550. Excuse me. The ingredients are a shallot, fingerling potatoes, green beans, chicken stock concentrate, rosemary, pork tenderloin, fig jam, and balsamic vinegar. It shows you everything on the front. This is what we're cooking. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. Other ingredients that is not included: salt, pepper, olive oil, and butter that you need for this. And then they have, oh, I also need to mention, they do have like a wine selection that you can choose from. It's like Wine Club, and then it says pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon, and it shows like easy. On the other ones, it has like different ones. Like my recent one was my pineapple one. It had fruity, so they have that option as well. I do not drink wine. Yeah. Okay, so like my other videos, we finna get started, and I'm finna let you guys know the steps and stuff, you know? All right. Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? We about to be an amateur home cook show, baby, okay? So, start strong. Rosemary has a distinctively piney herb flavor that can taste strong. You may want to use just a pinch or two of it at first, then add more to taste. I'm not using rosemary like with the cilantro. I believe it's just for decoration. I do not believe it's for to eat, so I'm not using that. So skip that. All right, steps 1 through 3 is always a total of 6 steps. So far, that's what I've been having, only a total of 6 steps. So first 3, here we go. Step 1, prep. Adjust racks to top and middle positions and preheat oven to 450 degrees. Wash and dry all produce. Half, peel, and finely chop shallot. Strip rosemary leaves from stems. Chop leaves until you have 2 teaspoons. Half potatoes. Okay, step number 2. Roast potatoes. Toss potatoes. Yes, I'm going to continue to say it just like that because I want to. On a baking sheet with a drizzle of olive oil, half the chopped rosemary, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Arrange cut sides down. Roast on top rack, tossing halfway through until tender and crisp. 20 to 25 minutes. Step number 3. Sear pork. Meanwhile, pat pork dry with paper towels. Season all over with salt and pepper. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add pork and sear, turning occasionally until browned all over. 4 to 8 minutes. Transfer to one side of a second baking sheet. So that's all of the freaking first 3 steps. Alright guys, we're back. We done did the first 3 steps. Now on to the next. Step 4. Roast green beans and pork. Toss green beans with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper on opposite side of baking sheet from pork. Roast on middle rack until pork is cooked through and green beans are tender, 10 to 12 minutes. Let pork rest a few minutes after removing from oven, then cut crosswise into thin slices. Step number 5. Make pan sauce. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pan. Use for pork over medium heat. Add shallot and remaining chopped rosemary. Cook, stirring until softened, about 1 minute. Stir in stock concentrate, vinegar, 1 tablespoon jam, and 1/4 cup water. Simmer until thick and saucy, 2 to 3 minutes. Remove pan from heat and stir in 1 tablespoon butter until melted. Season with salt and pepper. Number 6. Serve. Always. Divide potatoes, green beans, and pork between plates. Drizzle pan sauce over pork and serve. Yay! And we're finna get right into those last few steps, and then I'll be back to show you all the finished product. I'm just getting the finished result, because I'm always changing things up. Clearly, I'm not using rosemary, so it's gonna be it's gonna taste different, probably look different, but it's okay, baby. All right, see you guys. Serving time. Trusty old plate.
Okay, so you'll notice that this under eye is a little bit brighter. I just had to do a little test real quick to make sure that it still works the way I remembered it. But this is not my Dragon Beauty powder that I love so much. This is actually from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And this is Dolce de Leche. And I'm just going to take the banana side. I don't know if it's actually called banana, but it...
Watching Alyssa Ashley. Ooh, I just burped. Excuse me. I struggle cutting this up. It was not the best. at all. Alright. We're gonna get some potatoes. They cold. Shoot, waiting on everything else to cook. It's like fries. So I got some potatoes. Oh, but y'all can't see. Got the potatoes. Some green beans. Yeah, I'm just grabbing it with my hand. It's me, myself, and I, okay? And then some pork. I am so nervous about this pork. I really don't eat pork, so this is scary. And drizzle pan sauce over pork and serve. To drizzle, we using a spoon, okay? Oops, I'm spilling stuff. Okay, baby. I did something. Can I get some more? We like that sauce, baby. Sauce. Okay, guys. This is the finished product. Did I do it? Yes, I did. Alright, guys. Alright. It's over. I'm going to close out this video. Right here, you know. Already, baby, you know. So, thank you guys for watching another HelloFresh cooking video with me, you know. I'm trying. It's just me, myself, and I cook for me. So then, for the future, I could cook for me and my family, you know. Alright. So, I do have another box coming in next week because, 1 week I skipped because I didn't like what they had like on the menu of set meals, so I skipped that week. So on to the next, baby. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video all the way to the end. Yes, all the way to the end. You gotta see if I succeeded or I failed, okay? Alright, but like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.